Nothing is worse in an organization where you have the best products, the best teams, and the best software to support your processes where they don't work well together. In this scenario here, we're going to run through how to connect Salesforce, and more specifically your order entry process flow, directly into NetSuite so that it flows seamlessly end to end exactly the way that you need it to flow for your business to work well. Both NetSuite and Salesforce have best practices and orders of operations in terms of how they have to work inside of each of their applications. This sequencing is reflected here in the process designer before we step down into the integration designer. Each one of these process steps has unique data elements and business process rules that correspond to its step functions. Now let's step into a unique integration step and show how to link together different fields. Here, I've just deselected the contact ID, and I'm going to select through all the available fields as it pulls the source system for that and be able to map that. I can use the suggest mapping feature as well, which would auto map it for me. Now that I have my fields mapped, perhaps I want to apply a piece of business logic or a business rule to one of the fields that are mapped here to ensure that I have consistency in my output. Clicking into the function builder, I'm presented with a list of dozens and dozens of different pre-built functions that I can choose from. Or I can ask my AI copilot to help me build the functions for me because perhaps I'm not a master of all of the functions. In this case here, I'm going to add two dates to the current date, and I'm going to look for all orders that contain the date December 25th in them as well, because perhaps I want to apply a special condition to the orders that were received on that date. With my functions built, now I can step back into the main part of the integration, apply any other functions to other data mappings that I need as well. This can be done repeatedly throughout the process and can be applied to other step functions that you may have in your process as well. To ensure my process is running properly, I can open up a report at any one time and the step or the entire process to see what has been flowing through there. Additionally, I can have a bird's eye view across the entire integration suite of everything that's running to make sure that there is data actually flowing through the integration connectors as I need to. At any time, I can step back into the orchestration flow and make changes as I need to. If you like what you saw here today, just hit subscribe, and it's a no-cost way to help support us and bring you great videos. Thank you.